girl, hey, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for sliding through, and if you're returning, welcome back. So you guys have seen my last video. I had my hair done in like a miracle knots, crochet hair, sewing, quick weave, middle part, get up, or whatever you want to call it, and it went absolutely insane. Like, everybody's been loving it, and I love it too. That's why I still have it in my head. I installed this hair on April 15th, and today is April 28th. That alone should let you know that I love this hair. I just got back from some traveling yesterday. I went to San Antonio, a wedding in 92-degree weather. I went to Fort Lauderdale, 150,000 degrees weather. That's water, that's sweat, that's beach, that's sand, that's all of the things that you could think of, and I'm about to get my hair back together. Let me go ahead and start by thanking Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. Today is just a maintenance video, but of course I want to show you how you can maintain this hair over time. I know that oftentimes I'll put in a hairstyle and you guys don't really see how I wash it, how I upkeep it, and all those things. So no, not today. I'm going to show you how I'm going to prolong this hairstyle. It's been 2 weeks and I am going to keep this in as long as I possibly can. So thanks to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. So if you didn't see the original video, basically I have 6 bundles of their 22-inch loose deep wave crochet hair. Okay, that was a mouthful. I was able to install this hair just like you would if it was like a quick weave type situation or a sew-in. I have this as my leave out, and then the rest of it is braided down. I'm going to insert like a small little clip of how I installed this hair, and then I'm going to have the link for the original video up here if you want to go and watch it and see how I did this whole thing. As you see, I haven't had any pieces unravel. I did end up losing one piece, and that was only because I was holding a 6-month-old baby and she got her hand in it, and yeah. But other than that, girl, I haven't lost any pieces or anything like that. The hair is a little tangled because I got home off that flight yesterday, no bonnet, no nothing, and my hair was wet. So yeah, it's a little bit tangled, but still, for it to have been completely submersed in the beach yesterday and nothing was put on it, I did not brush it or anything like that, the hair looks really, really good. But just watch how it bounces back after we wash it. Let's get into that. So as far as shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to be using the brand from Monday. If you look on my Instagram, I have a recommendation of all the products and tools that I'm going to be using throughout the summer, and this was one of the products that I'm going to be using. This is for dry and dull hair. My hair was left out in the sun in all the elements as well, so I want to make sure I add some moisture back to that, as well as liven up these curls. Let me go wash my hair. I'll be right back. I went ahead and washed the hair, and I just have some conditioner in it right now. As you see, it's like not any tangles or anything like that. This hair is seriously good hair, and I'm not being like super delicate either. I did lose one rubber band along the way on one of these braids, and I didn't, oh, here it is. The pieces still did not unravel or like fall out. I haven't lost any pieces aside from that one where the baby got me. They see it. And just attaching this back to the bottom, and right back in it goes. So we're gonna let this conditioner sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it out. Wash and condition is complete. Now it's time for the easy part, because at this point there is no other really things to do. I'm just going to style it the same way that I did before. I don't think I'm going to do a middle part. I think I'm going to do like just the flip over version now, just so we can change things up. And just to show you how versatile this hairstyle really is, I'm spraying this Matrix leave-in treatment all over my leave out, just so it can have like a little moisture to it, doesn't dry out. When you're using like heat styling tools, you always want to have some type of like protective system over your hair, like always. I'm also going to go in with some heat protectant. I'm using a curling cream. This one is specifically for curly hair. It's not super heavy, but it's gonna make the curls like nice and defined. And I just took like a dime size amount, and I'm just going to work it through the curls. And so this hair is gonna dry a lot slower than my natural hair, so I'm gonna speed it up with a diffuser just so we can get through this a little bit quicker. Let me get my leave out the way. How much time say that right now the hair on this side is about 75%, well no, about 60% of the way dry. And just look, it's already coming back to that big fluffiness. I'm gonna leave it alone and let it like dry a little bit, air dry the rest of the way. That is a air dry curling cream, so we're gonna let it do its thing for the rest of this side, and then I'm gonna get started on this side. Using a diffuser definitely speeds up the process, but it adds a little bit of frizz to the hair, so I'm gonna go on with like a silkening glaze. This shouldn't make the hair feel heavy either. Should make it shine. Now for the leave out, as you see, I twisted it all up. I like to blend the first rows with my hair, just so that it looks more like together. And I know that my hair isn't, when you wand the hair, you can't match this exact curl texture, but you can get close. So I use these rows to wand with my natural hair, if that makes sense. So I went ahead and done this side for short form. Make sure that you are following me and Ywigs on Instagram and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and do this side. So I did go ahead and blow dry this part here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work on like the edges part.
I know you'll be throwing fits, not the kind you flick your wrist. Take a shot if you insist. Man, I got her so damn pissed. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm robbing, arriving to take over. Oh my love, look like it's hurting her. I know in your eyes it's not right. I shouldn't have this love, that's what you're thinking of. How much time do you take about your day? How much time do you sit around and wait? You watching, I'm robbing, arriving to take over. Girl, can you keep up? Gotta push your stamina all the way. Thought I told you so.
And just like that, we transitioned this hair in from being a middle part to a flip over. Didn't I tell you that this hair is so versatile? Like, kid you not, so versatile. I wish I would have left out the full perimeter in the back so I could have went like full pony, but nonetheless, so freaking versatile. Like, are you kidding me? This is the same, this is this hair, this is this look, same hair, same, just put into a flip over. Thank you again to Ywigs for sending over this hair. This is my favorite style that I've done in a very, very long time, and I've been on a roll, so that says a lot. So if you do want to achieve this look or the one that I've done before, or any other looks, I'm gonna have all of the hair info in the description, as well as I have linked the original video a few times throughout this video, so you can go see how we installed it and everything like that. I'm also gonna do a takedown video just in case you were a little worried on how to take it down, what that process is gonna look like. So I'm gonna do one of those. But if you want to see that video, then you have to be following me on Instagram, because girl, it is not gonna be a long form video. It's just gonna be like a quick little short or something like that. It's gonna be on Instagram, probably YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So I'm gonna have all of my other socials here on the screen for you or down in the description. But also make sure that you are following Ywigs. They made this video happen today, so thanks again to them. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have this hairstyle, if you currently have this hair in or anything like that, all the products and everything are going to be listed. You can shop on this actual video, I think, as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, girl. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.